Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is George and you're watching Just Shake or Stir. So today we have another cocktail video and I will present to you a cocktail which is very smoky and bittery and very refreshing to drink. The cocktail originally, I think it was created in 2016 in New York City by a bartender called Timothy Miner. But it was adapted by the Defaults Guide, and this is where I saw the recipe. And I wanted to make it because it's a very, how to say, very close to my liking of cocktail taste, and also it's including two of my many favorite ingredients, but two of them it's in the same cocktail. So if you're ready, let's make Fumata Bianca. Okay, Fumata Bianca, very simple. Build directly in the glass, you don't need the shakers, you don't need anything. Pretty much easy to make, it's just a little stir of the ingredients, top up with soda, and you have fantastic cocktail. So to start, we're gonna go with, which measure should I use? Let me just see, I'll take this one. Right, first ingredients. Suze, okay, if you never try Suze, you have to. It's a fantastic bitter. Oh my gosh, I love it. Now you need to be a very big fan of the bitter, okay? Because Suze, it's quite bitter, but it's fantastic when you pair it with the right amount of soda or tonic or used in the cocktail. With the right pairing, you're gonna get fantastic taste. So 30 ml of the Suze Liqueur. Look at that yellow color. You see, look at that. Ooh, I love it. It is a very bitter, so trust me, you gotta like bitter. However, we're gonna drop the bitter a little bit. We're gonna use Martini Bianco, and since that it's my, I think, last one before I actually have to restock, I'm gonna use the Reserva Speciale Ambrato. It's a fantastic martini. It's miles different than the actual classic Martini Bianco. So if you can get hold of the bottle, try it. They do the Ambrato and they do this Ambrato and they do also the red version. Okay, I finished my red one, so I have to buy both of them now. So we're going exactly same amount as the Suze, 30 ml. And then we're introducing something which I've not seen many. I mean, I think it's bringing, it's coming up really well at the moment. It's the Mezcal. It's kind of start shining and showing the capability. Many people not try it and they're surprised how good it is. So I don't know, are you a Mezcal or tequila person? I'm both, but when I want something smoky with more presence, I go to Mezcal. So we're gonna use Mezcal. I'm using Eterno, Añejo. It doesn't say which kind of, I mean, you can use any Mezcal, whatever you have available. This is gonna be just 22.5 ml. Okay, just a little bit under the 30 ml like the rest of the ingredients. Lovely. And this is it. All this, we need to drop some ice, and this is gonna be very difficult now because I hope I can do it without splashing any of the liquid out. Yeah, I should be able to. There you go. I'm just gonna drop one now. Originally, if you can like fill up your glass with lots of ice if you want, or you can use one like a big chunk of ice. I'm just gonna drop this one and I'm just gonna little bit give it a little stir to start chilling the glass and drop down to the liquid when it's gonna start chilling the liquid. Very slowly. There you go. We're nearly there. Oh boy, that smells fantastic. It's a wonderful cocktail. If you like Mezcal, if you like the smokiness of Mezcal, and if you like a bit of bitter in your cocktails, I promise this is gonna be fantastic for you. Right, we are in. And then another on the top. I'm just gonna leave it like that. Originally the cocktail required zest of grapefruit as a garnish. So I will put the zest now before I do anything else. Final ingredients, we have soda. So I tried to find a soda water in a cans or small bottles, but we know the situation at the moment with the shopping, it's very difficult, so I had to go for a big bottle, which is gonna be good because I'm gonna make some nice Collins or something after, I don't know. Anyway, you can top up with lemonade if you prefer to drop down the bitterness of the Suze, but if you like the way how I like smoky and bitter, just go with the original soda water. That's all you need to do, is just top up a little bit with soda. And this is it. Give it a little stir, just so you bring all the ingredients up to get mixed with the soda inside. That's it. And then you have it. Fumata Bianca. Beautiful. Cheers, guys. This is a wonderful, refreshing cocktail. I was expecting to be a really kick from the Suze, and it is. On the back end, when you sip, you first feel the smokiness from the mezcal and the sweetness from the vermouth, and now in the end it's coming the bitterness from the Suze Liqueur. And because it's with soda, we don't introduce any other extra sweetness, let's say from lemonade or some sugar syrup. You have this bitter like a staying, but it's beautiful because with the next sip you're going to introduce more smokiness and sweetness from the mezcal and the vermouth, the martini, and then again bitter, and then just going and going. It's just beautiful. There you go, we have it, guys. That's another video from me. I hope you're enjoying whatever you do. Stay safe, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Until then, I love you and I leave you as always. My name is George. See you next time. Bye bye. And unfortunately, I'm trying to find soda water in the small bottles or in the cans, but I don't know, with all this situation at the moment. That wasn't meant to happen. So, get your soda and make sure you don't shake it, or at least it's cooled down so it doesn't go anywhere. This is just ridiculous.